Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You're watching Technoblend, and today I'm going to tell you about the 5 must-have applications on your smartphone to make your life very easy. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel Technoblend and click on the notify button. I bring latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's move ahead and talk about the first applications on the list. So talking about the first application on the list, it is very important application because in today's world right now we log in into many accounts such as Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, but we don't remember their password, right? So the first application on the list is Dashlane. It is a password manager application which helps you to save password without inserting or remembering password and gives you a seamless experience across all the devices. Even though there is a free and premium version available on this application, if you go for the free version you will get the seamless experience of remembering password only for one device. But if you go for the premium version, it will help you to sync all your devices such as Mac, iOS, Windows or Android, and it will give you a hassle-free experience. So no more hassle of remembering the password. Download the Dashlane application. So the second application on the list is for all the travelers and those who are planning for a trip after this COVID situation. Yeah, the second application name is Skyscanner. This application will help you cover all the three aspects of planning a trip, such as booking a flight, a hotel reservation and a car rental. This application will help you to find the cheapest rates for all the three aspects. I have provided the link in the description box. Check it now. So the third application on the list, which is my personal favorite and which I recommend you to have on your smartphone, is the InShots application. In today's fast moving world, we don't usually get time to read a newspaper, as our parents used to say, get up in the morning and read a newspaper. So the InShot application will provide you with all the latest news and give you all the latest update about around yourself in just 60 words. Yeah, the point which I love about InShot is that it gives you all the information about a particular news in just 60 words, so you don't waste your time and you get the latest update. So the fourth application on the list, which I personally recommend you to must have on your smartphone and on your laptop activated, is the Grammarly application. Yes, the Grammarly application is an AI based writing assistant which helps you in checking your spelling, grammars, punctuation errors in the real time basis. So it is very useful. Once you activate this on your smartphone or laptop, it corrects your spellings and grammars and sentence errors in the real-time basis when you're writing an official email or official message to someone. The last but not the least application on the list, the fifth application on the list, is an educational application which I recommend to all the students and the professional, those who want to learn something new every day. The application is Duolingo. It is a language learning application which will help you learn 30 plus languages at your own pace, at your own comfort, at home on your mobile device without any cost. Yes, without joining any language learning classes and not learning language because it is a temporary course or it is a duration course of 6 months or 1 year without learning that language fully. The Duolingo application will help you to learn the language from basic to the difficult level in a gaming form, level by level. I personally use this application to learn new languages, basic about some new languages. So please do try this application. So this is all about today's video. I have provided the link in the description box for all the 5 applications. Please let me know in the comment box which is the must-have application for you. And if you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Technoblend. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata, bye bye.